they'll figure we beefed our canoes and headed across land. We're very lucky they'll figure we went over the fall. Our only hope is that they pass us by. If they do, take the south rim down the mountain. It's 12 miles cross country to Fort Edward. And if they don't, we'll just have to forego the pleasure of hanging me. One more. Powder. Doc.
Yeah, kicking in. Don't push.
Mine's soaking wet.
Oh, Father! Did you see my father?
From a distance.
Say nothing to us.